Kinupusan, baby. So hi guys, good morning ug karong buntag. Oh, surong udto di ay magluto tag kinupusan. So mani ang kinupusan is basically mao nang tambok ra na siya nang tambok sa baboy ba oh, ana oh. Or chicharon ba. So panit ug tambok ra na siya and usahay maglisod na kay pangitaw kinupusan dali sa Cebu na cut. But yes, kung maka-timing ka, dali na kayo himuon. So first up, we're gonna napuaan na to siya. So basically boil the pork cuts on low heat and para makuan siya, para maluto, para mulimpyusan siya. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So our little chicharon. So ano na, nibukal na. So kuhaon natin ng scum. Move the scum. Move the scum. Mana, nibukal na siya. Hapit na siya, I'm ready to fry. There, gonna drain. Because it's ready for frying, my friends. It's ready for frying. So it's a bit ato na ning prituhon. So easy, right? So that's really fat, and later it will become one crunchy bite-sized piece of kinupusan. It's so easy, just fry it. So this is really fun frying it. This is so good spot, so you need to cover it because it's really kind of dangerous. So slow heat, not so moderate heat, just fry it and cover it. Guys, it's almost done there. You see it? The skin is getting crunchy and nikupos na siya, nikupos. Kinupusan is from the word kupos, meaning shrink. So now the fat has shrunk and the skin is now crunchy. It's just like our chicharon pops. So in a bit we'll serve this and eat this. Turn up the heat and let's just finish it a bit here, and that's how it looks like. It's ready to serve in a bit. Finally ready to eat. Let's just rest a bit then. Let's eat. Let's sample our first bite. Oh. Lungog ka? It's really crispy, delicious, perfect with rice, perfect with monggo. It's like our pork chicharon pops or kinupusan. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you cook kinupusan also at home. Do you have any questions? Feel free to comment or PM. because I'm gonna enjoy my lunch first. And see you na sa atong next na luto-luto. Bye-bye!